Hi, I'm Robbie McDonald and I'm here today to show you 5 reasons as to why this is the best property on the market in July 2021. Located in the heart of Meadows 5, the most popular community throughout all the Meadows, this property not only has stunning lake views, but is also only a stone's throw away from the newly opened Meadows Village, Emirates International School and Montgomery Golf Club. So I want to talk about the plot of this property, which stands at over 8,000 square foot. Obviously there's plenty of room for a swimming pool, entertaining space, and if you come around here I'll show you the Arabic themed fire pit, which would be perfect in the winter nights. This property stands at 4,924 square foot, 6 bedrooms plus a study. The property has been upgraded throughout, bifold doors leading to the swimming pool. Kitchen's been upgraded, master bathroom and guest powder room have also been upgraded. Another beautiful feature of the house are these beautiful bifolding doors which lead directly to the pool. This property has 6 bedrooms, 5 of which are on the first floor, and a study here which can be converted into a 7th bedroom. So as we stand in the beautiful master bathroom, you can see the bathtub, which is another beautiful feature of the house, which looks directly over the lake. Arguably one of the best views available in the Meadows. Speaking of the lake, there's a beautiful jogging track around the perimeter of the lake. This lake also leads you directly to the Meadows Village, where you can find a Waitrose, British butcher shop. Many other amenities are available, only a few seconds walk from this property. The view from one of the kids' bedrooms is arguably better than the master, with views overlooking the new Meadows Village. So that's a wrap. I've shown you the inside of the house, I've shown you the upgrades, I've shown you the view. 500 metres this way you can find the Montgomery Golf Club, and next door you'll be happy to hear that we've just sold another similar villa. That's me, Robbie McDonald. Give me a call if you want to take a look.